Hi, this is Adam from Times, your AI accounting assistant. Today, we'll be exploring how to connect your business tools to Adam using webhooks, allowing your financial data to flow into your accounts automatically. As a business owner, this helps you reduce manual work, avoid errors, and keep your records up to date without stress. By the end of this video, you'll be able to understand what a webhook is in simple, everyday terms. Generate a webhook URL in Adam for specific transaction types. See how that webhook can be used in real business scenarios. Manage and control your webhook URLs inside Adam. Let's get started. Once you log into your account, go to the sidebar and click on Integrations. This takes you to the Integrations page, then select Webhooks. This is where you connect Adam to other platforms you already use. Think of a webhook like a messenger. Whenever something happens in another system, like creating an invoice, the webhook automatically sends that information to Adam. Instead of downloading files or uploading data manually, the information is delivered instantly, just like getting a notification on your phone. Here you can see the quick guide on how to create your webhook URL. Make sure to keep this URL secure and only share it with trusted platforms. To create a webhook, click on Generate URL. A modal will pop up asking you to select the type of transaction you want this webhook to handle. Here, you'll see different options such as bank transactions, invoicing, bills, journals, contacts, accounts. For this example, select invoicing, then click Create. Once you do this, a webhook URL for invoicing transactions is automatically generated. The URL appears in the webhook table and is activated for use by default. You can activate or deactivate a webhook URL at any time. Now I'll explain what this invoicing webhook actually does. You can take this webhook URL and add it to your invoicing platform or external invoice system that supports webhooks. Once the URL is added to your invoicing platform, each time an invoice is created or updated, the details are automatically sent to Adam. That means your invoices show up in Adam without manual entry. Your records stay accurate and up to date. You spend less time on bookkeeping and more time running your business, and that's it. With webhooks, Adam works quietly in the background, keeping your financial data in sync automatically. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.